Hi YouTube!
Hello.
Today we're going to disassemble our rotary engine here from my Mazda RX-8. Briefly explaining, I disassembled two engines. My friend didn't assemble single one, so I just let him disassemble mine.
Let's start.
So let's start. So I told my friend what to do at first. First thing he is doing is unscrew our oil injectors that are here, just to get off our oil lines that I left. So, the next thing we are going to do is to take off our oil pan, 10mm socket. And as you see, I started clean the engine a little. I think I'm going to blast beat the housings and pressure plates, the side plates, but I'm not sure right now. For side seals, we have container that will later tell us. We have container that later will tell us what size of side seal was here. I don't think I will be reusing my side seals, but just to have knowledge of them, it will be just put it in container. As you see, the unbolted oil pan is loose now. It can drop any second. But if you're going to disassemble your engine, the oil pan will be glued. What I meant, if I wouldn't take off oil pan previously to swap it with another engine, the oil pan would be held by the silicone to the surface I'm showing. Don't forget the seal. Old one can be reused. Now that we turned the engine, we need to take off our wheel, and to do this we have to unbolt our nut. It is 19mm. So now we have our bolt that is holding our thermal pallet that is in the engine, and after that we have our spring, eccentric shaft spring. All of these are bolted. Now we have to unbolt 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 screws and take off our cover. So now that we have unscrewed all the bolts that holding the timing cover, we need just to lift it off. It is not glued, it has metal gasket on it. And we have our clean, almost clean, actually pretty clean. And we have our oil pump, main oil pump, oil chain, and all stack of goodies here. That is, this is Hellcat gear for our oil metering pump. This is our counterweight and other things right here. And this is draft key that keeps it all. And now we are taking our gears from the stack, and we need to unbolt our pump, oil pump. We just basically need to unscrew these four bolts that are holding our pump. Actually, I would start with our Hellcat gear because the oil chain is in the gear below it. Don't forget how this part of pump was positioned. Now, when we turn our engine, we have to take off our 54mm nut. Just by unscrewing it. Actually, we made a little device that is just bolted right here, and it holds our flywheel. Should not forget this little key that position our flywheel. see different.
It's a very good gym.
17 units. I hope it. It should just need a little tap from rubber mallet. Oh, it is lift, I think. Yeah, it is. Just be careful. Whoa! Oh, our side seals just came off. This side seal was here. It is important for us to keep our side seals in place. Here we have our carbon buildup. It is not bad, actually, not bad. I'm a little scared what I will see after cleaning it, because here we don't have our residue. Seals. Yeah. Our apex seal and apex seal springs, we will measure it, put it on the side, just put our side seals in place, this side, and just put our rotor on the table. Oh, I see a lot of two-stroke oil residue inside. I don't have a light just to put on. And here are a lot of residue on exhaust port. So I decided to cut video here, because second half it will be my observation about parts, what could be reused, what not. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. If you wanna see more content like this, consider subscribing, and have a nice day.